Welcome back to Trivia for the Trades. You only have a few seconds to answer each of these construction trivia questions. Can you get at least 10? Let's go and find out. Question 1. The crescent in crescent wrench originally referred to what? A brand. Crescent was a trade name, not a tool type. Question 2. Duct tape was invented during war. War II. I believe it was actually originally designed to move boxes, ammo boxes. Yep. Question 3. Spanner is the British word for which American tool? A wrench. Question 4. The first hard hats, made in 1919, were built from what material? Canvas. Ew. Don't know how good that did. Steamed and hardened canvas. Question 5. What was the Roman underfloor heating the ancestor of an HVAC? The hypocaust. I don't actually know what that is. Question 6. What ancient building material is made from sun-dried mud and straw? I just saw a bunch of these. Adobe. One of the oldest building materials in human history. Question 7. Which came first, the pneumatic nail gun or the cordless drill? The nail gun. Question 8. True or false, the Golden Gate Bridge is painted gold? This is false. It's actually international orange. Color chosen for visibility in San Francisco's famous fog. Question 9. What's the S-shaped channel built inside a toilet called? This is your trapway. Question 10. What's the metal box that houses a home's circuit breakers called? Your breaker panel or your electrical panel. Question 11. What's the welder's term for the painful eye sunburn from arc flash? That sounds terrible. Arc eye. Makes sense. Question 12. What hand tool does a mason use to spread and shape mortar? Trowel. One of the oldest tools in the trade. Question 13. What tool snaps a straight reference line using powdered chalk? A chalk line. Creative. Question 14. What's the term for temporary support that holds up a structure during work? Shoring. Keeps things standing while work gets done. And question 15. What's the minimum width of a residential hallway per the IRC? 3 feet. We just helped friends of ours moved into a house that's 120 years old, and I can tell you, most things do not fit in a 3-foot hallway. How'd you do? Did you get at least 5? Did you get 9? Did you get them all? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and keep going.